Okay guys, we got this 14 Durango right here. They said that it has a misfire. I'm scanning the car right now. C report. Cylinder 4. Let's just do a clear flood crank and just see what this sounds like. Huh. Can't really tell. Let's do that again. I think we might have a low cylinder. Let's get a lab scope out and we'll do a relative on this. Okay guys, so we're gonna use a lab scope. We're gonna use voltage to do this. Let's go to lab scope. Okay, let's get this out of here. We're going to use AC coupling. We'll do a 1 volt CO. We'll see how this works. Go ahead. Gotta hold the gas and the brake.
I wasn't holding the brake.
Okay. I think we got a bad hole here, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Where's our low one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me try this with filter on. Do that again. Okay. I guess we're okay. I don't know why we got one dropping down randomly. Okay, I guess we'll start this up and we'll see where the misfire is at. I just realized I forgot to invert this. Because if we look, this one's higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it comes up. Let's try this again, inverted. Then we'll have our waveform facing the normal way of compression, or of current. Go ahead. Okay. So now if we go back, now we should be able to see it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How it keeps coming down. We have a compression problem on probably cylinder 4. Let me save this. We'll save this and then we'll go get my we'll save over this other one. Okay, so let's print this. We'll get my amp clamp. Okay guys, so I probed into cylinder 3 right here. Cylinder 4 is on this side, so we can't really get to it because it's under the intake. Got my amp clamp, high amp clamp around there, the one from AES Wave. I'll show you guys this real quick. So here's our firing order. So 4 is on this side, 3 is on that side. Firing order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 will be firing before 4. Got our lab scope set up. Let's do a crank on this. Let's see. I just want to confirm that the engine is good. Before we just want to confirm that it's good before we repair anything. So there's our compression. That would be 4. 4 doesn't look that bad using current. I don't know why it was going so bad because it's when cranking with voltage. Let's just save this as, no, there's a typo in here, but save this one as 2. We'll do this again and we'll put filtering on just in case. Let's go filter. Oops, I'm filtering this one. Let's try this one more time. And if that don't change anything, then we'll get a nice long crank. Let's see. Let's go look at this. Oh, look at that. When you look at it that way, you can definitely see 4 is lower. Look at the spike. See, 4 came down and then it went higher because this was 3, right? 4 and then it goes higher. So we can actually see it here. Oh, look at it right there. Boom. So it's a sign we got a compression problem, probably like a lifter problem or something. Yeah, look at it there. We might have lifter problems because sometimes it looks like it's working, sometimes it's not. I guess what we'll do is we'll get I guess we'll go in cylinder. Let me save this one. This one is 3. Should have put more detail in there though. Just let's print this out. Okay guys, so I pulled out the 2 cam followers because I could have, like, I would have thought this would have been a cam follower issue. I got approval to take the head off to inspect the camshaft. These things eat camshafts, but I see nothing wrong with either one of these. So I have it locked here, and then I loosened up the bolts and just lifted up the camshaft a little bit, and then we could inspect these, but I don't see anything wrong with them. I'm going to check the exhaust real quick. I'll do the same thing on the exhaust. I'll put this back together, get the exhaust, but I'm not sure what's causing it, unless we got like a valve issue. Okay guys, so I got the cam followers out for the exhaust side, and they seem fine. Like there's a mark on here, but like it still rolls perfectly smooth and everything, and I can put pressure on it. Doesn't act up. Pulled them out, so I don't know what's causing this. Feels fine. Go ahead. You didn't hold the gas pedal to the floor.
I let go to never mind. You ready?
Yep. Do it again. Okay. That should be good. Okay guys, so I put my leak down tester in here, and we got to set it like 70 psi. Look at this. Usually I see chewed up camshafts, not leaking valves, but look at this. Take the glove off. See? And we'll put the glove back on. There you go. Get that. Watch how quick this fills up. So there we go. Hold around. There you go. So we got leaking exhaust valves. We can go in cylinder, but I don't think we're going to see too much. Let me turn this stuff off. But yeah, I'm surprised we didn't have chewed up camshafts, but I'm going to call it a cylinder head because it's easier to change the cylinder head and cheaper than to change the valves. Okay guys, so we're in the Durango right now. It still has like a faint misfire. It's not like a real strong misfire, but it's faint. I guess it turns the check engine light on enough. But like, we're sitting here in gear. You can see the RPM's like pretty stable. Car ain't really shaking. So it's not really noticeable, but it may get worse, like when the car warms up, because the car is cold. So, but that's where we're at, waiting for the customer to get back to us. Hope you guys like this one. See you later.